This is the Gevi coffee maker. You can put your beans in here. Turn however you want your beans grinded, fine or thick. The program, the grind off, your strength of your coffee, the powder, how many cups you want, hours, minute, on, off, the power, the cup. It's a tin cup. Here's where you put your water. You open this. Here's where you put your grinds. If you don't want to grind your own beans and to do it, you press on and your grinds will start. But if you don't want grinds, you press grind off. And you can open it up, and there's your... It has been a very good coffee pot.
This coffee maker is less than 2 months old, and as you can see, the water tank looks pristine. And this is what happens when we pour water into the reservoir. Water's going in, water's coming out. I hope this helps. Other than the last two machines leaking, it makes a great cup of coffee.